gonna review another wig. I'm probably not gonna install it today because I have this gorgeous unit on, and I don't want to take it off. So we're gonna review the wig, and then the install will come tomorrow. So I'll probably have this video posted by Tuesday. Okay, because today is Sunday. Anyway, if you want to see what this gorgeous wig, this gorgeous, because I feel so sexy. I feel like Pamela Anderson with the layers and whatnot. If you want to see what wig this is, you can always go to my channel, and check out my last video. Let's get into this new style unit by Outre. It is part of their Perfect hairline, and it's called the True Frontal. So it basically just features the Widow Peak hairline. I guess pre-shape with a peak hairline. I guess everybody's into the whole Legos hairline thing, which is basically just a Widow's Peak hairline. But it has been basically slayed by the Nigerians, okay? Or Legos. I guess I don't want to say Nigerians as a whole, but the Legos girls have slayed and perfected the Widow's Peak. So Outre decided to bless us with a few of these units, and they've been really popular. And I actually have two, but this is the first one I bought, and I haven't taken her out of the box yet. So we're going to go ahead and take her out of the box. Before we get into the tutorial, or the review and / tutorial, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, and then hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Sometimes YouTube will not show you when I upload new content, so if you hit the notification bell, it'll send you a little alert notification on your phone if you have your notifications turned on for YouTube. Bam. This is a beautiful burgundy color. This is the style Peak 701. So it's the first style that they came out with. I was falling in love with that ginger color, but that was so popular. It sold out. And it was because I can't remember her name. It was this YouTuber. She slayed that color. Oh my gosh, she slayed that color. And I was like, mouth drop, mouth open, because she just looks so gorgeous in it. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get the burgundy, because that's the next best one. They also have in some other special colors. Chocolate swirl, tiramisu. That's an OG Outre color. DRST honey brown. DRST Jade Blue, and DRST 2 Rose Brown. And the Rose Brown, I don't know, I'm kind of interested. I think I know what that is. I love pink. Don't get me wrong. I love pink, but some of the mixes I'm just not feeling. This one comes in like a pink mix or a rose mix, and it's cute, but I feel like everybody reviews it already. So hell, everybody reviewed this color too, but I still, anyway. This is a 13x6 frontal, Vanish HD transparent lace. It's basically really thin lace. It's not the HD lace but it's really, really thin lace. It does come with a pre-attached elastic band, safe up to 400 degrees, and it's 26 inches. So let's go ahead and just take a look at it. This is my first time, just like it's yours. So it's a basic. I really feel like I should put this on a mannequin, and then I'll come back. So this is the Widow's Peak hairline. It's cute. It's giving. They have the baby hairs pulled down there, so if you want to swoop them, it depends on what you want to do. But usually when I do a Widow's Peak, I don't really do the baby hairs, unless it's a side part. But she's cute. She's cute or whatever. This is what she looks like. The texture is silky. Not Party City silky, but just a nice, you know, it's a silky texture. The curls are okay. The curls are okay. Very close to this color. This one's more red. But yeah, I might go in and just pluck it a little more. And that's it for the review. So stay tuned for the install.